First, go and sit in a quiet place. Close your eyes. Then take a deep breath. Hold your breath for 8 seconds. Then slowly release your breath. Stop thinking. Stay seated like this for 10 to 15 minutes. Forget whatever bad happened in the past. Focus on your present. Just focus on your work. For example, if you are cooking, think about which spices to add. Remove fear from your mind. Do the course that interests you. If you are studying, then study to become something. So make a resolution today itself. You will not waste even a single moment of your time. Work hard for your future. No work is small or big. Even a tea seller can buy a car one day. Today's struggle will become tomorrow's strength. Dreams come true for those who work for them. आप क्या बनना चाहते हैं ये नीचे कमेंट बॉक्स में ज़रूर लिखिए और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। धन्यवाद।